Thinking about getting the RBC Avion Visa Infinite card? Well, here's a quick step-by-step guide to help you through the application process. First, check you're eligible. You must be at least 18, a Canadian resident, have a solid credit history. Having your income info and address history ready, like past 2 years, will make things smoother. And next, go to the official RBC website and find the Avion Visa Infinite card page. Take a moment to review the key perks like flexible travel rewards, premium travel insurance, and the option to redeem points for flights. When you're ready, click apply now, fill in your personal details, name, address, date of birth, along with your employment status and annual income. RBC will run a soft credit check first, so your credit score won't be affected. If that check is successful, you will complete the full application off and get an instant decision. If approved, your new card usually arrives in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. Once it arrives, activate it through the RBC mobile app or online. Then you're all set to start earning Avion points on everyday purchases and take advantage of travel benefits. And that's it. It's really quick, straightforward, and rewarding. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover another card. Thanks for watching and see you next time around.